Aloha, and welcome to BrightTree Financial. My name is Harold Green, the owner of BrightTree, a fiduciary advisor with over 20 years of experience working with Hawaii's families. BrightTree was birthed when I realized my vision was too small. Originally, my passion was to help parents ensure that a great education could be made affordable. As I became a fiduciary advisor, I realized that everything I did was much greater than helping families make college affordable. It was about protecting the future and creating a legacy that would last for generations to come. The colors in BrightTree's logo are extremely symbolic of the phases of life that a person or family goes through. We start off as bright, energetic, and full of hope for the future. At this point, we don't know much and are simply quite light in life, light in knowledge, light in wisdom, light in finances, and light in experience. As we mature throughout the years, our colors begin to change and we become richer in knowledge, richer in wisdom, experiences, and hopefully finances. We grow our families as well as our communities. And sometimes during this stage, we suffer the unexpected and run into things that we didn't quite plan for. It is at this stage that we begin thinking and contemplating the direction of our lives as well as the lives of our children. In some cases, we must begin making the difficult decisions of how to handle our aging parents. And this is where I've met most of my current clients, as many of them have had a great need for financial planning that encompassed all phases of their lives, especially when it came to figuring out how they were going to get the kids through college and still save for retirement. It is through this planning that college is paid for, vacations take place, and weddings happen. Homes are remodeled, retirement becomes well-funded. A simpler way to put it, dreams come true, and the future is secured. As you move through this phase, your legacy begins to take shape and you enter the golden stages of life. This phase becomes more enjoyable and you recognize that you've made it. Your family has been provided for. Your community is a better place as a result of you being in it. Your contributions to life have made a difference. This is the vision and dream of BrightTree Financial, a company that will be the difference maker, a game changer, assisting families for years to come as they walk through the changing leaves of their lives. Mahalo. And welcome to BrightTree Financial.